Hello, my dear. We're
Hi.
here in Tijuana with
Zinnia.
and Dr. Bergman.
Yes,
Good.
right.
So what brought you down here?
Pain brought me down here, but I had been going to a chiropractor for the last 3 years, getting adjusted 3 times a week, and I finally, the pain was so much that he said, gotta go through surgery. So then I went to a different one and said to me, surgery. So I had a gut feeling that it can't be. The body cannot be, as incredible as it is, and my neck still works. How am I going to go through surgery? And so then is when I started doing more research, and then I started seeing this Dr. John Bergman all over all over online. And but here's the amazing thing. The thing that really got my attention is that you were doing something that no other doctor, and I have been to many, was doing, and that was not being afraid of, or actually not even questioning. You have to get tested. You have to go through the series of tests so you see where you are, and then you can see where you're going to. And I keep seeing all these people going through and saying, this is how they work, and they were worse than me. How can I need surgery? So I thought Huntington, which was your offices back then, where I just didn't see it accessible because I didn't understand how you work. Had I known back then that I could have done it, I could have done it. It would have been different. But then you were here, and then there was just no getting away from
Gracias,
it.
Dios.
Yes, exactly. And it has been exactly as I expected, or even better. I don't know if you can tell, but I am so ecstatic since I've been here. I've been here 3 months, and just as it's actually not as I expected. It's been better, by far better. And I can't even. You can see it in me. You can see it in me that I'm no longer in the pain that I was when I came here. And the most amazing thing is that you come in, you take all these tests, you can see your blood live on screen, and that is an amazing thing too. That you can actually see really, really where you are. And now I know that I am on a path. I don't have to trust nobody's word on it. I know it.
Okay, what was it like to see? Because the testing, I totally dig. Okay, but to see the post X-ray, to see structural neurological, what was that cool?
Is that cool. That is just shocking because it just gives you this hope. You're on the path. There's nothing that's gonna. I know I'm on the path. I'm on my path. I'm getting better. And here's the other thing. I came because I had this pain in the neck, the shoulders, the arms, the legs, the hips, everywhere. I couldn't sleep. But I got so much more, because you do everything. So I've actually now I know that because there was a point where I actually said to myself, is this how it's going to be from here on on? Is this the life that I'm going to live from here to the end of my days? Is my life that as it used to be over, and this is now how I'm supposed to live?
Good God, what a nightmare!
And it's awful, and it isn't. It isn't. You just don't know better. And so please, anybody out there that's any sort of pain, don't even wait. I mean, pain is the last thing you feel, right?
It is the last thing.
It is the last thing you feel. If I would have attended it to this years back the right way, with the right people, in the right place, then I can't even imagine, where I would be now. But anybody, and it is so affordable. It is not, I don't even understand it, because you get so much. So don't go crazy like I did thinking things. Just call, make an appointment, and come. It is life-changing.
Okay, now, what did it take to get your husband in? Because she has one of the few things. She has a well-adjusted man. Yeah, baby. Okay, what did it take for you to get him in? Because I know he's kind of like one of those guys that really, show me. I've seen that before.
Exactly.
Yeah, bitch it. I love him.
He said, just so that you shut up, I'll go in.
Yeah, totally cool guy. Totally cool.
But here's the thing. Yeah. He had gone through everything, and here's the other thing that I think is so important. We never ever thought that he had anything wrong with his nervous system or anything. He had whatever it is, and I just understood when I didn't understand. I saw what you were doing here, and I said, just go in, and just go in, and then I just stayed on him until he said, just so that you shut up, I'll go. And then he did, and you know what he said to me? He said to me, I don't want to go because you are, because he could see how I am, like just talking about my experience and everything, how impressed. And he says, you're so impressed that I'm gonna say no. I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna listen in, and then that's not for me. And I said, that's fine. Just go in. And before you know it, he's on board. And
This is
he's
actually a
going
good
through it.
example of how he sat through the report. Arms crossed.
Yes.
Yeah, I love that. Okay.
Yes, with
yeah.
the
So please, I mean, if your spouse is hurting and they haven't had any solutions or anything, keep after them.
Yeah.
Water can wear down granite. She wore down her hubby.
Yes, and now we're in a different. It's life changing. That's all I can tell you.
Okay, this is real people with real challenges and real solutions. Okay, do you have anything else to say?
I want to say that the staff here they care. They truly care, and I don't know how to even explain how you have here the system you have, but it's amazing. It's like coming into a family room and everybody gains from everybody else. I can't even explain it, but it's really works because it adjusts it. My schedule I can keep because it adjusts to my schedule. I don't know if that makes any sense.
It does.
But
it does.
It's hard to explain, but it's but yeah, you can adjust it to your schedule, and it's amazing, and it works. It works. I've been into this 3 months. I already saw my befores and my afters, so there's no question about it. I'm on this path.
Yeah, you can train procedures. You can't train the heart. My staff is a God thing.
Yeah, there's no question that they were selected.
Get in, find the solution. You're built by God. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Oh my God!
Thank you so
You
much.
did good. You kicked butt.